In Molly Fountain's social studies classroom, she illustrated the concepts of longitude and latitude through multiple media to better reach all her learners.
To start off the year, we do latitude and longitude. In the last 2 years, that's been like a big problem for the kids. They learn it in 7th grade, and so we start 8th grade with like review. Okay, remember latitude and longitude? And so many kids are like, oh no, I hated that thing. Why do we have to do it again? So I was determined this year that by golly, they were going to learn latitude and longitude the second time, and it was going to be awesome. And so what I did first is we went through on the smart board, because we're lucky to have smart boards, and we had certain kids do latitude and longitude and like demonstrate, like draw a line for your latitude, draw the line for your longitude, there's your point, and like pulling different kids for that. So you could see kind of who knew it and who was like, oh, I don't want to go up there right now. And then the next day I had giant masking tape grid on my floor. And so then the kids, I had a ball and I had my latitude lines marked, and then I had my longitude lines marked, little latitude sign to the side, longitude line, and I would just stand on a spot and be like, okay, going this way. Is this latitude and longitude? And all the kids had to do was like point, because like the paper's right there, But that was just getting them kind of comfortable. And then the next day I took those signs away and we had our directions, and we talked about, okay, so what's latitude, what's longitude? And you could tell the kids were like, oh my gosh, I totally know how to do latitude and longitude now. So then we transferred it to like a paper, like doing latitude and longitude. And I was so impressed with like how many of the kids, like really not making this up, how many of them seemed to get it this time. And so I actually asked them, because I try to reflect on things, because I did it completely different than I did it last year. And I was like, what made this work better for you? And they just said the way that you taught it, the way that we were able to get up and try to do it and look at it that way. You didn't just make us read it.